Focus on what you desire, not the path it takes. Release the need to control. The puzzle is not yours to rearrange. Tell the universe, I'm excited to see the masterpiece you're creating. I know it's all coming together perfectly.
जब हम मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हैं कोई भी चीज, तो हाउ यू वांट, व्हेन यू वांट इज नन ऑफ आवर बिजनेस. दैट इज व्हाट वी सरेंडर टू द हायर सेल्फ. वी सरेंडर टू द डिवाइन. वी सरेंडर टू द हायर इंटेलिजेंस, who knows much better than us how to manifest it for you in the most easiest, simplest, fastest way for you. So focus on what you desire, not the path it takes. Release the need to control. हमारी आदत क्या होगी? हर चीज को कंट्रोल करने की आदत होगी. मुझे ये चाहिए और ऐसे चाहिए और इतने समय में चाहिए. हर चीज को हम कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं. But the more we try to control it, the more we decide, oh, I want it and I want it this way, the more we are in the way. हम ही अपने डिजायर के रोड ब्लॉक बन जाते हैं. क्योंकि जब आप ये कहते हो कि नहीं मुझे ये चाहिए और ऐसे टाइम में चाहिए, तो जो आपकी कंडीशंस हैं वो ही प्रतिरोध पैदा कर देता है. That itself start creating resistance. And the moment you start creating resistance, you lose the vibration. The moment you start creating resistance, you become separate from what you want. But the way you have to want it, the way you have to desire it, as if it's already there. And you feel it as if it's already there. So where is the question of how it will happen? Where is the question of when it will happen? In your mind, it has already happened now and you're feeling it already. Why you want something? For the emotional payoff. And if you have felt it already as if it's already happened, then you're no more looking for it. If you're looking for it, then you're still separate from it. Feel as if it's already happened, so that when you open your eyes, you're no more even looking for it. Because you already felt it. Now you don't even care. It doesn't matter. Because that emotional payoff, you already got in it. So you have to trust. You have to surrender. That's why manifestation is a delicate balance between intention and surrender. While we intend what we want, but we surrender how we want and when we want. So focus on what you desire, not the path it takes. Release the need to control. The puzzle is not yours to rearrange. क्रिएशन का जो पजल है वो आप हायर इंटेलिजेंस पे छोड़ दो. इट नोज वेरी वेल आप जो चाहते हैं उससे बड़े बड़े पजल को उसने रीअरेंज किया है. Who have rearranged the planets and the moon and the stars and the galaxies. What you want is very small in front of all those things. So the universe knows exactly how to rearrange the puzzle, how to bring all the cooperative components together to make it happen for you. Suppose you are looking for a cake and you tell the universe, I want cake. The universe takes the order. Oh, you want cake? Okay, so let me bring it for you. Oh, so the universe start rearranging all the cooperative components to make your cake. All the ingredients of the cake. Universe get you the milk. You say, oh, not this. Universe get you sugar. You say, oh, not this. Universe get you baking soda. You say, oh, not this. Universe get you flour. You say, oh, not this. You say, oh, no, I am only asking for cake. Why are you getting me flour or milk? But the truth is, universe is rearranging all the ingredients so that the cake will appear. You have to release the need to control. All you need is to just maintain the right vibration. And the only way you can maintain your vibration is giving yourself the emotional payoff even before it has happened, not waiting for it to happen. And when you hold that vibration, then you don't care. But that is when miracles happen. Which was saying as milk and baking soda, all of a sudden one day you say, oh, there's a cake. And you tell your friends, you know, aaj chamatkar ho gaya. But no, it was not a miracle. It's a norm. When you maintain your vibration, when you hold on to the vibration, miracles become normal. Because we are the miracle knots. Then you don't need to chase, you attract. You think it is my job to manifest. It is not your job to physically manifest. Your only job is to emotionally manifest. So leave your obsession with physical manifestation. वो हमारा काम है ही नहीं. Delegate to the best manager. The universe, the quantum field is the best manager. Why will you not delegate to the best manager you have, who is working for you all the time, anytime, free of cost? But because of our desire to control, we want to do everything ourselves. But we cannot be productive. You can't be efficient. If you want to be really miraculous, then just focus on emotional manifestation and then enjoy, relax, be lighthearted, have fun. The more you're having fun, the more the universe is creating for you, the faster it is going to create for you. The highest vibration is of fun, of love, of joy. So when you're having fun, don't feel guilty. Tell everybody, oh, I am manifesting. When you're laughing, you're manifesting. And then universe gives you many things unasked for. You may think of one desire, but the universe probably give you something bigger, something better. Because from your ego self, you will know this is best for me. But the universe knows what is best for your soul, what is in your highest good, and it will make that happen for you. So it is in your interest to surrender. And then you don't lose time manifesting it. Then you can focus on something more, something different, something new. Why just create one thing and wait for that? And only when I get that, then I will try to create something else. We are multidimensional beings. We can create many things at one time, at the same time. But if you decide, oh, I want it and I will only create it and I want it this way only, then and imagine whole life you could not manifest it, then that life is gone. Then you'll take one more life. Our whole life goes in waiting. That is how it has become a relationship with time. We're always in a waiting room. That's why we keep postponing everything for tomorrow. When tomorrow this will happen, then I'll be happy. But if you're happy, then it will happen today only. So don't wait for things to happen to be happy. Be happy and the things will happen. A few years back, I was in Amsterdam. I was walking on the street. In front of a bar, there was a board. It was written free beer tomorrow. Next day when I passed, again it was written free beer tomorrow. So वो कल कभी नहीं आने वाला. It will always be tomorrow. So tell the universe, I'm excited to see the masterpiece you are creating. That is the trust you show. That is the confidence you show to the universe. फिर हुआ तो अच्छा, नहीं हुआ तो अच्छा. क्योंकि you trust so much कि अगर नहीं भी हुआ तो you believe that उसमें मेरी ही कुछ भलाई होगी.